going to solve a problem when there are variables on both sides. Number 7, we're going to describe and correct the error. In A, here's the original problem. 5c minus 6 equals to 4 minus 3c. We always want to move the smaller term, so we have the negative 3c here. So we're going to add 3c to both sides. When we add 3 to both sides, this 5c plus 3c should be a 6c. Minus 6 equals to 4. So this is where the mistake was. Okay, the second step should be 6z minus 6 equals to 4. Okay, this should be the step 2. Okay, this was the error right here. Step 2 should, you can write the word should, be 6c minus 6 equals to 4. So this is how you explain the error. The error on step 2 should be 6c minus 6 equals to 4. Okay, B, let's take a look. Did they distribute right? 6 times 2y, that does become 12y. 6 times 6 does become 36. 4 times 9 becomes 36. 4 times 3y becomes 12y. That is correct. We subtract 36 to both sides. That cancels. We have 12y equals to 12y. Okay, both of them are equal to each other, so we can write 0 equals to 0. Okay, this is incorrect. It has no solutions. That is incorrect. It has infinite solutions. The reason why it has infinite solution is because 0 is always equal to 0. Okay, so this has an infinite numbers of solutions. Okay, all right, so that is how we correct the error. Okay, describe it and correct the error.